Hello and welcome to Drupal tutorials. The first topic for today's session is creating articles in Drupal. Creating articles help your visitors to know about your motive or your company and your website in detail in the form of articles. So let us go to the back end of our Drupal website and create an article now. So this is the back end of our Drupal website, and we logged in as an admin here. And to create an article, you need to click the content in this main menu. Click the content, and here you'll get an option to add content. When you click the add content, you will get three options here, like article, basic page, and blog. So now our target is to create an article. So click on article. Then that will be redirected to a different page that helps us to create an article. So here we have our first option is a title of our article. So we should name the article. It's a mandatory because here you can see a red spot. That means you cannot escape this. So it's mandatory field you should fill. So we are going to name the article as say creating article. Okay, forget about the tags because we are going to discuss about the tags in the later sessions. So in the body we are going to put some dummy text, and you go down, and here if you want to provide a picture to your article, you will get an option like an image. You just choose it and pick an image here. I am choosing Drupal logo as my article image, and so it got selected, and click upload to upload an image to your article. So it got uploaded, and scroll down and choose the publish options. So make sure that this published checkbox is checked, and make sure that every article should be promoted to the front page. If you don't want this article to be promoted on the front page, you just to uncheck this. But every time when you post a new article, that should appear in the front page. That's a standard, so that your visitors will follow your new articles easily. So, and save button here. When you save it, so article, creating article has been created. So, and you can see your article on the front page. So this is the way to create an article in Drupal. And the next topic for this session is creating pages. Let's create a page now. Creating a page in Drupal is very simple. Go to the content on the top menu and add content, and you can see a basic page. Click the basic page here and give a title to that, and say like creating pages, the name, and put some content in there, and text text format, filter text or full text or plain text. So always leave it for the first option, default option, that is filter text, and publish options, so it should get published. If you want to promote this to front page, you just click this. If you want to stick it to the top list, you just click this. And when you're done with your options, save it. And okay, creating a page is created here. So this is the simplest way to create pages in Drupal. And the next topic for this session is creating content in Drupal. In Drupal, content type defines the style in which the contents are collected and displayed. When you install Drupal, by default, two content types will be fixed, and they are articles and basic page. When you enable the other core and contributed modules by visiting modules, you can use the other content types also. Okay, let us see what is a content and how to create a content type in Drupal. To create a content in Drupal, go and click the content button on the top menu. And that will take you to a place where you can add content to your website. So here, click add content, and that will list you different content types. So we already seen the blog content in the previous session, and we have already seen how to create an article, and already seen how to create a basic page. So here, to create the content, we should select one of these content types. So let us select a basic page again, and to create a content, it's the same process like you create the basic page. So here our intention is to see the content types. So but still we create one more basic page to add the content to our Drupal website. So creating content, that's our topic. So put some text in that, and publish option, make sure that it is checked, and save. So creating content is created. That's how we create the content. That means we created a page here, but when you go here in the content, when you want to add the content, that will list you out all the types of contents here. If you want to see add more content types, just go to the modules, and you can see all the different content types here. We added the blog here, so you can see the blog in that list. If you add the book here, let's say book, and say contact, we're checking these things. Let us check one more thing, a form. Okay, that's enough. So we added 3 content types to our content, and save the configuration. It's going to take some time, because these modules are like a backbone to the Drupal. When you install any module, it's going to take a bit time. Okay, the configuration options have been saved, and close it and go to the content again. And click add content. Now you can see a few more options here. Previously we have only article, basic page and blog entry. But here we have a book page and forum topic added to it. If you want to add content, like now you can add a book page, you can add a forum topic also. Yeah, this is how we choose the options and we add the content to the Drupal. Our next topic for this session is modifying the content. In this topic, we will study about how to modify the content in Drupal. You can modify any of the previous used content types, content such as articles, basic page, or blog entry. To do that, log into the Drupal backend and go to the content, and here you can see all the available content in your web page. If you have too many contents here, so you can select them, filter them by the status option here. Here it's like any, that means everything is listed out here. But if you drop it down, like you have different options: published, not published, promoted, not promoted, sticky, not sticky. So let us select published. But you can see a lot of them here because all the content that we have in this site are published already. So let us see non-published, filter, and you can see none because we published everything. So let us select any and type is okay, article. And if you refine, sorry, let us reset all of this. So okay, so to modify the content,